Can what's in this tiny box save you money if you are in an accident? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike here with something that will literally save you thousands of dollars. It's small, it's easy to install, and it's irrefutable proof should something terrible happen. The Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam has a lot of features that we'll get to in just a moment. But first, let's talk about why you need one. The Insurance Research Council says 14% of motorists, or about 1 in 7 drivers, were uninsured in 2022. This is based on a 2023 study. That's more than 28 million drivers driving their vehicles without insurance to pay you and your family if they're at fault. Plus, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration estimates that almost 41,000 people died in motor vehicle crashes in 2023. So you can see why there's need to protect yourself in case of an accident, and that's exactly what the Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam does. This dash cam has a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor that provides better low-light performance and clarity to protect you and your family at night. It also has 4K HDR technology to help you adjust for overexposure or underexposure. There's motion detection that allows you to manually adjust the recording area so you don't save unnecessary videos. Plus, this will record 10 seconds before an event and 30 seconds after the motion is detected. There are also smart choice controls like take photo, lock the video, turn off audio, show the front camera, and much more, so you don't have to take your hands off of the steering wheel. Should there be an accident, the built-in G-sensor automatically locks and saves the video so you don't lose any critical evidence. Now that I have your attention, let's go ahead and install this camera in my 1997 Mercedes S320. This is a like new car on the inside. I love it, I want to keep it, I want to protect it, and I want to have money should someone who is uninsured, crash into me. I want proof of the accident. So this is the camera right here. This is the back camera that will attach to the back window. They have a cord that runs from the camera. I'm going to route it all the way down through here. It goes into my outlet, which is actually right there. And you'll notice I'm not losing the functionality of my outlet. They give me a USB port right here, so I can still charge my phone or charge whatever else I want to do. This is the cable that runs from the front camera. It's going to be routed all the way up through here, and it goes to the back camera. What I think is really, really cool, they give you these little plastic sheets, and this will attach right here on the windshield, and then you attach the camera to it. And then if you ever want to move the camera, you can do that. This plastic part comes off, and you can move the camera around, which I think is just ingenious. They give you a little tool to kind of help you push in all of the parts of your car that you want to hide the cable in. You have a fantastic user guide right here in several languages. I'm going to follow the directions right here, except for placement. They wanted it right over here on the left side. I think I'm going to put it right here. This is my turnpike sticker. I'm going to put it to the right of that. That's going to give me a better view on the inside and the outside. They do have a teeny tiny card to record all of the information, and it goes right inside here. This will pop out. You just push it in right there and you're good to go, okay? Then we have the cords and all of that kind of stuff. I'm gonna do that off camera because it's kind of boring. You know how to do this. You can follow the directions, you can route it however you want to in your car, and it's gonna be perfect. So let's go ahead. We'll get to work, we'll get this all set up, and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, we've chosen the location for the camera. This is the actual plug that's gonna go right here for the power. It plugs in just like that, okay? So we now have power. Well, I guess I should do this up. We'll go up like this so it's not in the way. Here we go. There's the power. It's going to go up through here, and then I'm going to route it through there. I also have this cable right here, which goes from the camera all the way to the back camera. We've achieved perfection. There's the rear camera once again. It attaches just like the front one on a little static clingy little plastic piece right there. I have it kind of routed through the headliner and then through there, and then it kind of goes down along the bottom, and then it comes up across the A-pillar right there where it connects to the front camera. Okay, so this is perfect. Now, according to the directions, what we have to do is download the app, connect the app to the N4 Pro model, and then we start having some fun and protecting our family. All right, everything is installed. Yes, I need to clean the windshield, but take a look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at the picture. Okay, and you can see This is me right there on the inside. This is the rear view camera right there, and that's everything in front of us. And as I'm driving along, it does not obstruct my line of sight at all. I have a crack in the windshield. That's more distractive than that. This is nice. This is beautiful, which means we now get to take it for a cruise and see just what the video looks like that we are recording. And look at my horrible garage with all the bikes that I have to put together and review, and my lovely electric motorcycle right there. But yes, the mighty Mercedes is now safe, it is secure, it is protected should there be any kind of an accident because of this right here. Okay, we have the co-pilot with us. This is Lola. She's my sheepadoodle. We're just going to go drive around and record some video, and then we'll come back and show you just how nice everything looks, okay? I'm anticipating some really great things, so let's go ahead, take this old car for a spin, see how she's doing. We'll see if we can get it Lola approved. Okay, so here's what the actual video looks like on the app. It has a GPS locator as well below the screen. I don't want everybody to know my address, so I got rid of that. And look at the picture. Look at the clarity of this right here. Along the bottom of the screen, you're getting the date, the time, even how fast you're going. This is in miles per hour. And just in case you're wondering about the clarity of this, as we come up here and turn the corner, you can see street signs, you can see everything that you need to see. And if you zoom in, take a look at what happens. Look at the resolution of this front camera. It's unbelievable right there. Yes, you can zoom in on license plates. You can zoom in on all kinds of people and cars and dogs and whatever you want to see. I also want to show you what it records like on the inside of the vehicle. Yes, you can clearly see all four people. There's Lola walking back and forth, going from window to window. That's what she loves to do. And this I have to apologize for because this is the back camera, and the back glass on my car is extremely dirty. This is not a really good representation of that. But I want to show you how clearly license plates can be seen. This is the video from the company. Listen to this, take a look at this, and watch how close you can zoom in on the license plates. Well, we made it back home, and I gotta tell you, I love this little dash cam. It is nice. Lola says she loves it as well. I've been looking at the videos. You can choose what you want to download. You can turn the sound off and on inside the car. You have the voice controls if you want to do that. This little Vantrue N4 Pro just does everything that you need to protect you and your family, and of course, your wallet. So we're going to have more information in the description box below the video right here. We'll have a link to the actual dash cam. It's an Amazon link. Prime Day is coming up. You need to check it out. You're going to save some money. And if there's an accident, you're definitely going to save a lot of money. You're going to protect yourself, your wallet, and like I keep saying, your family. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Lola and Monkey Wrench Mike will be back with another one very, very soon. You want to say goodbye to all your friends? Say goodbye. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.